Hi friends, welcome to South Indian Cuisine. Today I am going to show you a recipe of Eid special, Hyderabadi special, Ramadan special recipe, Sheer Khurma. Further, the main ingredient, this is the milk. I have taken around 2 liters. And next, small sevaya, this is thin sevaya, around 50 grams. And next, sugar around 200 grams. And next, the dry fruits, cashew nut, almonds, chironji, and next pista nuts, some condensed milk, clarified butter, ghee, cardamom powder, dry rose petals, kishmish, raisins, dates, and dry copra. This is dry coconut. With these ingredients, now I am going to make a special Eid recipe, that is Sheer Khurma. First, in the process, soak these dry fruits, that is pista nuts, chironji, charoli, and next almonds and cashew nut. Soak these dry fruits for around 4 to 5 hours, like this. After 4 to 5 hours, the badams will look like this, and next the chironji also, and cashew nuts, and this is pista nuts. And now gently peel these. After soaking the dry fruits for 4 to 5 hours, now you can peel the skin of these like this. And next the chironji also, automatically it will ooze out the skin. And next pista also. After peeling like this, now pat dry these dry fruits, and next cut like thin slices. And next cut these dry copra, that is dry coconut, and next dates also cut like thin slices. After cutting the all dry fruits like this, and now in the process, first boil the milk like this, and other side put a pan, and next roast these dry fruits in the ghee. After adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, and then add these thinly sliced dry fruits and fry them till it comes into golden brown color. When the milk is boiling like this, just stir it and boil like this for another 15 minutes on a low flame. After roasting these dry fruits in ghee, and again into that same ghee, roast these dates and raisins also, and again take them to a plate. After roasting these raisins and dates, now again into that same kadai add some more ghee, and next add these small sevaya and fry it till it comes into golden brown color. After roasting the thin sevaya like this, now add this sevaya to boiled milk. After adding the sevayas, now boil this for 5 minutes. While boiling the sevaya and milk, now add sugar. After melting the sugar, now it's time add little clarified butter to it, that is ghee, and next condensed milk, and next add these dry fruits, half portion of ghee fried dry fruits and some rose petals. And now add the final ingredient, that is cardamom powder. And next switch off the stove. Now a tasty Eid special Sheer Khurma is ready now. Now our tasty Eid special recipe Sheer Khurma is ready to serve. Dear friends, I hope you like this recipe. If you like, please do subscribe my channel and send your tips and suggestions to improve my channel. Thank you. Namaste.